Srbija, 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 Srbija. Come to Dubai, Habibi, come to Dubai. Ne, brate, dođi u Srbiju prvo. Srbija je najbolji zemlja u svetu. Today we have a very special guest coming to Serbia, radical marketer, my friend, a fellow influencer and YouTuber all the way from America, and also Filip, another influencer and friend all the way from Brazil, coming to Serbia for the first time. We're here with Sigma Elite Rentals. I showed up in class. I showed up in style, baby. I got the opanke on my feet. I got the noshna on, you feel me? We ready to go. So when you come to Serbia, this is the welcome you're gonna get. This is the welcome you're gonna get. Ciao, brate. Ciao, si dobro, legedo. Važi slika, brate, nije problem. 100 dinara, samo 100 dinara, brate. Šali se. 3 prsta.
Brate, ti si najbolji.
Brate, hvala ti puno, brate. Ja sam srećan, ja sam u Srbiji. Ćao, si dobro? Kako? Gdje ideš sad?
Mi smo iz Kanade.
Iz Kanadu? Toronto?
Pratili smo te. Listen, when you were in 90 days, we watched everything.
Stvarno? Hvala ti puno. Sve najbolje.
Great things for your country.
Hvala, brate. I love your country so much. Hopefully one day I have a Serbian passport.
Yes, sir.
Vučiću, daj mi pasoš, molim te, brate. One thing about the Serbian culture is they got the hospitality. This is what I've learned from them. So I must follow in tradition. We have rakija, kajmak, čvarci, ajvar, šljiva. Šta još treba, bre? Šta još treba? Dobro došli Srbije, brate moj. Si dobro? Hoćeš sliku? Važi, nije problem. Vidimo se, brate. Živio. Dobro došli Srbije, brate. Dobro došli Srbije, brate. Evo ga, moj brat. Moj brat iz Brazil! Iz Brazil! This is for you, brother. Idemo! My brother, this is rakija. Welcome to Serbia! Brate, dobro došli Serbia, brate. Welcome to Serbia. I know you're from Brazil, but you have to finish this rakia.
It's so strong.
You have to. I'm sorry. This is
very strong.
This is how we're starting off the day. This is how we're starting off the day.
Starting off the day, you want to
Welcome to Serbia, brother. Welcome to Serbia. Čvarci, brate.
Okay.
This is domaća čvarci. It's like a pig. It's like a pig fat that you can eat. It's like a snack.
I love it, man.
You got some cheese, some Serbian cheese, some kajmak.
Oh.
We got you some Serbian ajvar. This is like salsa, right? This is it. We got you.
For my steak.
This just got you šljiva. We got you. This is jam.
Oh man.
Okay. And then you not only did you get that, we got you a brojanica, bro. This is a very important gift in the Serbian culture. This is a Serbian Rolex right here.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go.
So this is for you, my friend.
Be careful. Be careful.
Put the brojanica on.
Oh yeah.
And then last but not least, brother,
you know what I mean?
we got you a bottle of rakia, brother.
Oh, man.
A whole bottle of that thing. Hey, in Serbia they do the 3 kisses, all right? So you go, mwah, mwah, mwah. Okay. Dobro došli, brate. Welcome to Serbia, my friend. Welcome to America. Welcome to Serbia. Welcome to Serbia, brate. Welcome to Serbia, brate. This is my brother right here. Prokleta je Amerika i zlato sozja. Što mi vredi tvoja slika, jer oca nemam ja. Let's go! Hey! Bravo! This is Filip.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
This is Dave.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Guys, from Brazil.
Yes.
From America. First time in Serbia. Yeah. Hey, let's make some noise for the trubači real quick. One time. Make some noise for the trubači. Hvala ti puno, momsi. Idemo! Hey, momsi, hvala ti puno za sve. Vidimo se i opet. Radical Marketer is back.
Let's go.
I love you too, volim te, srećan put. Dobrodošli! We in the desi, brate, veliki. This is Alexander the Great. Pick us up in the Mercedes. Let's go. When you guys come to Serbia, we do it right. Make sure you guys hit up your boy Jibri, hit up everything Belgrade, and come check out Sigma Elite Rentals. If you guys want the best rentals in all of Belgrade, if you want to arrive to the airport in style, if you want Jibri to pick you up with the Trubaci, that's gonna cost you a little extra. But hit up Sigma Elite Rentals. They're the best in all of Belgrade. Vidimo se. Nikola Tesla Airport. Idemo. I got the key to the city.
Let's go.
Hvala, brate.
How did you guys meet?
Girls screaming from cars, "We love you, Jibri." What the fuck?
Yeah,
It's
bro,
rock star.
It's wild. It's wild. Radical marketer Dan, amazing guy right here. This is my mentor. This is one of my best friends. He's literally changed my life. Honestly, I wouldn't even be in Serbia without him. We got my boy Dave in here, Dave Nick. You guys got to follow his channel, big YouTuber as well. Amazing man, really helps people make money online. Just insane creative, and he's really a good mentor for me and also a friend. So check out Dave Nick. And you guys got Filip. This guy right here is from Brazil, he's a globetrotter, man. This guy's obsessed with Poland. He loves Poland, he loves Polish women, but listen, by the end of the day, he's gonna forget Poland. Habibi, come to Dubai.
Hey. Dubai, to Dubai.
Ali, dobrodošli Srbije, prvo, brate. Today is gonna be a very important day. This is your first time in Serbia. We're gonna go to Skadarlija, okay? Yeah. This is a very iconic street with all the kafana. Usually on the weekends, the shit is packed. So we got in here early. I didn't want it to be too crazy. Dobro, brate. These are my friends. This is from my friend from America, first time in Serbia. Zdravo. Zdravo, zdravo, momci. Veliki rošti, čevapi.
Dunju, kaj si u krušku?
Ti ideš u Tri šešira, brate, ovi je najbolji kafana u Beograd i on je legendo, pravi legendo. Idemo, look, idemo, bro. Idemo, bre.
Look what we got. Guys, just take a look at this. That shit is epic. Where in the world do you get something like this? Oh, wow.
Thank you guys for coming to Tri Šešira. This is the best kafana in all of Belgrade. Guys, when you guys come to Belgrade, make sure you join Tri Šešira. Make sure you guys come here, enjoy, experience this culture. Now we're gonna go and enjoy Belgrade nightlife, everything Belgrade. If you guys want to experience an amazing time in Belgrade, check out Everything Belgrade. They will show you everything. They'll make your dream come true. I absolutely love you guys. My sister just got engaged. Everybody give some snaps to her. Yeah.
Let's go.
Hey, let's go. Let's go. My sister, listen, Diana just had a movie premiere. Let's give some snaps to her. Let's go. And my guys from America and Brazil flew all the way to Serbia. So I just want to say shout out to you guys for coming to Serbia. I love each and every one of you guys. I hope that you guys have the amazing rest of the year. Let's celebrate tonight. Let's just have fun tonight. Živeli. We're in Serbia. This is the party life when you come to Serbia. Brodzet. This is Brodzet, the boat. When you come to Serbia, you hit up Everything Belgrade. You come to Brodzet. You call me, and we have a party.